Hi, I'm Vito. In this video, I'll show you how to use projects in ChatGPT to organize your work faster and cleaner. Projects are focused workspaces where you keep all your chats, files, and instructions for a single task. No more scattered conversations, you keep everything in one place. To create a project in ChatGPT, click on Projects in menu bar, give it a name, and before you click Create Project, click on the Settings button and choose Project Only. This means that this project will not use any memory and any conversations and custom instructions outside of this project. This is very, very important. So when you're done, click Create Project and your new project is created. After you created your first project, you can add files simply by clicking on Add Files and drag and drop them here, or click Add Files and choose them from your computer. And beside that, you can add custom instructions. Click on the three dots in the corner, add instructions, and give it custom instructions that will be particular to only this project. When you're satisfied, click Save, and your new project is ready to use. If some of your chats are left behind and are not placed in the business plan project, you can simply add them by clicking on the three dots beside the name of the chat and just click on Move to the project and choose your project. You see, your conversations is now in the business plan project. Thanks for watching. Try creating your first project right now and test it on your own task. If you have questions, leave a comment. Like and subscribe for more practical guides.